Welcome to Summerfield Honey, spring 2021. We're out here installing some nuke colonies from our friends at the Joplin Beekeeping Association. We just picked up 10 nucleus colonies this morning and are looking to get them hived. So I'm going to run through a quick tutorial of hiving a fresh nuke. Everybody's looking pretty gentle today. These are carniolan. Going to be nice, adapted to our southwest Missouri climate. I'm going to take 2 out at a time, so I have less chances of crushing each frame when I put them in. We don't want to kill the queen right away, or ever, if we don't need to. Do 2 more at a time. Now we don't want to roll the bees as we're going down in here. There's still a couple bees at the bottom of this, so what we're going to do is just take one quick shake on the ground, get them knocked down, then just pour them on top. We're going to take our inner cover here, put it on top, and our outer cover. And we're just going to strap them down. And that's about it, and we'll be repeating this process about 30 times in the next couple days.